Now.
Hi guys, we're making edible slime.
What are you using?
Starburst and gummy bears and powdered sugar.
Starburst, gummy bears, and powdered sugar. And that's what you need to make edible slime. Tell them what are they watching? Whose channel is this?
King Julian 420.
And what do they need to do?
Subscribe and give this video like a
Big thumbs up. Good girls. Okay. So they're going to unwrap.
Well, I have to unwrap.
She's got to unwrap. She's just got to pour. See how she does it. Let's see her technique, her pouring technique. Ooh, that's pretty good.
Nancy, can you help me unwrap?
You gonna save some? Yeah. You probably don't need all of them in one bowl.
I'm doing the oranges in one bowl.
Now Susie is gonna unwrap
Can you help me?
about 1 million. Bella, get in there and help her unwrap some of those. Come on, Laura Lee, they need help unwrapping the Starburst.
I'll let you have some after.
She's not really looking anything up. She's probably Facebook stalking me. You know how all females are with me. King Julian, 420. Holla at your boy.
I wish these were.
And if you've noticed, since our last video, she no longer has a baby in that belly.
The baby.
I delivered it.
The baby's in the living room.
No, yeah, she's got a pizza baby.
Hey.
Beer and pizza baby right now.
Okay. What's coming in? I need help.
She needs help, Auntie. Unwrap those.
That's the gummy bear one, right? I know
Are
how.
you just doing certain colors?
Yeah, I'm doing oranges right now. I'm gonna do the red. And I'm gonna do the pink, and she's gonna do the yellow. I can't see through all those brackets. That's a glass of shape that you have, Nancy. Okay, these are all.
1 cup of gummy bears, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch,
Oh,
and 2 tablespoons of
That's the
powdered
corn-
sugar.
Oh, we need them both, huh? Good thing we have both of them. We came prepared. Like I said, you're going to need how many cups of gummy bears?
one.
1 cup,
1 cup gummy bears. How much cornstarch?
2 tablespoons,
2 tablespoons. And how much powdered sugar?
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons.
Mom,
So remember that, kids. That is how you make edible slime. Make Bella's first, babe. And then we'll keep unwrapping Susie's. But Bella's is ready to go. So get a cup of gummy bears. You can't eat them all. Are those nummy bears? I hear somebody. I hear somebody. What do we got going on over here? I think there's somebody here. That's a baby Michael. Hi, baby Mike. Baby Mike, he's got his hair up like baby Jack. And his shirt says, "My dad's incredible," which everybody knows is true. Now let's move on down this way. Over here we have
Dad, you can't post this. Our house is disgusting.
Marissa Faye. Marissa Faye, shut it down.
Dad, let's move down into this room. I'm done with the big.
You need to
Uncle Daddy, I'm done unwrapping. My orange.
Oh, look at that. Who's this guy? There's little King Julian. He's playing Fortnite. He's probably playing with Roberta Rabang Bang. What's up? Say what's up to YouTube. Say what's up. Hey, we don't cuss on this channel, boy.
Look, I'm done unwrapping the oranges.
Nice. Let me see. Let's get a good look in there.
Say this.
Orange. Nice. Orange, you glad it wasn't banana?
Yeah.
Ooh, look at, she's got gummy bears in there.
Does that look like a buttercup?
I don't know. Fill the cup up.
Put it about 30 seconds.
Okay, that's a cup.
Okay.
Now we'll get the cornstarch.
Wait.
2 tablespoons cornstarch, 2 tablespoons
This one's
powdered
better
sugar.
'cause it's plastic.
Susie, are you already melting them?
Uh-huh.
You melt them first?
Yep,
Yeah.
you cook it better.
Careful, baby.
Lucky that stove wasn't on. What's this little guy doing over here?
Okay.
He can crawl. I
Um,
don't know. Did you just take one of those?
no whip.
Mine isn't done. Auntie, look, and this is a little guy.
Baby Jack Jack.
8 months.
8-month-old Michael King.
8 months.
All you ladies out there, he's a player, so watch out. He's coming for you.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You're supposed to put that in there for 30 seconds. I got you.
Or move on. This one's
Those are mine. Yeah, these are mine.
What happened? Sorry guys, that was baby Mike falling down. His sister doesn't like to help watch him. That's Marissa I'm talking about.
That's not me.
It was her. So let's see what this looks like. Oh, it almost looks like sweet and sour sauce.
Except it's a little bit dark.
It's a little bit sweeter and not so sour.
It's more. It's a lot. How sugar, please?
So,
I need tablespoons.
1.
Can I have a
And then 1, 2.
Those are some heaping tablespoons. And then you just mix it up, guys.
Good.
Mix it up. Susie's mixing hers up. Hers looks like baby poop.
Wait, what?
Did you put the
It looks like
cornstarch in there?
caramel. No. What? You can have one. You can have a bite.
Ooh, Susie's getting messy. And Bella's is getting slimy. Sticky, I bet.
Very sticky.
Keep it going, mix it up. Get all that powder stuff in there, baby. You gotta scrape the bowl.
It's still really hot. Be careful.
Yes. Be careful. Why?
It's hot.
It's hot,
It
like
just came out.
Uncle
of the
Daddy.
microwave.
all the ladies say I am.
Really, Dad?
El Fuego.